to confidently check documents for technical and legal structure. IT is usually installing, supporting, and maintaining a handful of products, while end users are bouncing from product to product, spending more time managing the open tabs on their screen than correcting their work. Litera Check simplifies it all. With the ability to analyze, review, and repair documents, it brings together the most powerful technology legal teams need to meet the firm's strict quality standards and clients' expectations. This means one installer and one add-in for IT to manage, and one task pane in Word for users, not to mention the time savings and a better user experience for everyone. Here's how it works. Litera Check combines Contract Companion, Litigation Companion, Best Authority, and DocX Tools Companion. Instead of downloading these products one by one, you can install Litera Check. And instead of managing multiple license keys, you will have just one. Litera Check will appear as one consolidated add-in in Word. When you analyze a document, you can get a full assessment of its legal health, and you'll see 3 new buttons in the task pane for cross-references, numbering, and TOC issues. Let's say you wanted to fix a numbering issue. Select Numbering and Repair to instantly review and resolve them. For litigation-focused professional, you can quickly validate case law with the Citation Issues tile prior to hyperlinking and building a table of authorities. There's much more to see. Learn more at litera.com.